I had all these makeup products over here, and nobody has a mirror attached to them. Like, nobody had a mirror attached to them. So I'm gonna bring out my handy dandy Fenty bronzer and a Mocha Mami to use as my mirror. Like, Rihanna never lets me down, period. She doesn't, like, she don't miss. It's just like, in her blood, it's not let people down. Okay, I don't know what to say for my intro, but I'm gonna get to the point of it, because I know people like when, instead of doing a long intro, you get to the point. So I'm trying to get to the point. Honestly, it's fall. I feel like doing a fall makeup tutorial for you guys, and I just really want to just record. So yeah, my name is Kiana. Real name is Kiana J. Wilson. Yada yada yada. Let's get into it. I don't know what you want from me. Like, I don't know what you want from me. So without further ado, let's hop into it. Bye bye. I'm just gonna brush my brows up, and I'm using like Rihanna's not Rihanna. Rihanna is first on my mind right now because I'm using her product as a mirror. But I'm using LA Colors Browie eye pencil. This eye pencil is really bomb. So I'm going to outline. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to outline the bottom of my brow. I'm trying to follow like the natural shape of my brow. You know, my God-given brows. Because back in the gap when I first started doing makeup, I guess I just didn't like my brow shape. Oh, I just got some of my brows. Don't do that, please. Take your time. Don't be like me. Take your time. The thing is, I just can't talk and do two at the same time. That's my thing. But you know, like back in the gap, people used to. It's like we used to go out our way to try to like create a different brow shape than our own back in the gap. So now it's just good that, you know, people like we don't do that like as much. I mean, some people do. I mean, it's their preference. But it was like everybody was doing it. I guess we just didn't like the way that our brows look. It was just like the aesthetic that was going on back then. But now it's like everybody's like, what's it called? Like fluffy brows are in now. I think it's called fluffy brows. So I'm going in with my pencil and I'm making hair like strokes. Now honestly, I love doing makeup, but brows is like my weakest, like that's probably my weakest a weakness of mine, brows. I'm just gonna say weakness. I've like never been good at brows like that. Like every now and then they come out right. I used to trip about it, but not anymore. But in conclusion, you will never see me do an eyebrow tutorial on here because I don't like doing my eyebrows stick majority of the time. To be honest, it's a King Pore reference. I love this concealer by VH Cosmetics by ColourPop. It's like their no filter concealer, and I love this concealer. I don't too much like it to conceal under my eyes, but I love it. You know, I love using it to conceal under my eyebrows. That's what I will use it for majority of the time. And I use it as eyeshadow primer. So I'm gonna put it to my eyebrows. So next we're going into our eyes. And for my eyes, what was I about to say? What you know what I mean with what's her name? Queen. She was crying and she was like, yeah, that's how I look right now. Yeah, that's what I mean. Okay, so for our eyes, I'll be priming with this Morphe eyelid primer. People feel certain ways about Morphe, but I just be chilling. I don't care. I really didn't start using their products until about a year or two ago. Like, I don't be in all that. Like, if I like the ring, if I like it, I just like it. And they're setting, because I can't say about Morphe because their continuous setting spray is like a must-have. Like, if I was stuck on the island and I could only bring like 5 things, that would definitely be one of them. That would be one of the things I would bring. Like, that's how good this spray is. That spray is so bomb to me. Like, it made my makeup game go from like a 7.5 to like a 9 or 8.5, 9-ish range. Like, this stuff is dope. And you want to make sure you blend it out really good, because if not, it's like a tacky crease area. I can't explain it. It looks ugly, and it's hard to work with it when you don't blend out eyelid primer the right way. It looks tacky if you don't. Like, you can tell the difference. My lips look juicy. My lips look plump. Okay, so for my lid, not my lid shade, child. For my transitional shade, I'll be going in with Fenty's bronzer in the Mocha Mami. This bronzer is like fire. I love this bronzer. I use it on my eyelids, on my face. Like, it's just fire. The purpose of transitional shade is to help you blend out your other eyeshadows. It's mainly, usually your transitional shade would be a color close to your skin tone. So yeah, just putting that out there. I don't know why I'm adding that on here. I don't know why I'm saying that, because this is not like a beginner video, but I just feel like saying it. I don't want to pack too much on there because it's not like the main character. It's not even a supporting character. it's more of a background actor, so I'm not gonna pack it on. Taking this Sunset Dusk palette by Beauty Glazed. This eyeshadow palette is fire. Like, it's cheap. I got it off Amazon. It's fire. Like, Beauty Glazed is slept on. Like, the pigment is chef's kiss. But anywho, I'm going with this shade right here. It is called, dang, what's it called? Volcano. Like, this is called Volcano. I'm adding this color to my crease area. And I'm bringing it up to my eye area, by the way. I'm bringing it up here. Forgot to mention it. Bringing it all the way up. I forgot the name of this part area, but to my eyelid area. Not eyelid, but to my, in front of my, I'm going to bring this to the front of my eye. I'm bringing this color all the way to the front of my eye. Kind of getting a clean eyeshadow brush. I'm just going to blend out those edges. And blend as much as you need. That same palette, I'm taking this shade right here by the name Ash. It's like this dark, dusty looking brown color. It's like a dusty color. I'm gonna apply this to my outer V. I just want to add a little depth to my eye, but I'm not gonna put this. Well, I'm adding to my outer corner. I'm my outer V. I just want to add a little depth to my eye. Depth to my eye. Depth to my eye. Oh, it's not like I'm saying depth. Depth to my. It's not like I'm saying depth. Depth. Oh my goodness. This southern accent of mine is just making me look crazy out here. I'm gonna blend. I'm gonna take that same fluffy brush I used earlier, and I'm gonna blend that out to make it look, you know, blended. I'm going back in with Fenty's Mocha Mami just to help me blend everything out better. Okay, so next I'm going to my Juvias Place Wahala 2 palette. I'm in with Period, the color right here. And I'm going to apply that to my lid shade. I need to brush up on my eyeshadow skills because, like, mainly I have to be putting, like, one-sided color. And by one-sided color, I put, like, a brown. Like brown as Mocha Mami on my lid. I'll smoke it out and then put, like, a color in the, in my tear duct, like a gold or something. And that's like, that'll be my look. So I haven't really been doing like colorful eyeshadows like I used to. So I have to start back practicing. Cause I actually miss having fun. Like, it used to be really fun. You can actually spray your brush so that it can pick up the pigment better or it'll be more vibrant. I think I'm gonna do that. My nephew just been getting glitter on him. It's just crazy. Like, I was planning makeup earlier. I was just planning, like, I didn't know what kind of, I know what kind of look I was going for, but I didn't know what kind of what eyeshadow palette to use or whatever. And I just got some glitter on him. Boy, my sister was mad at me. Like, she was not happy at all. I'm going off this brush from earlier, and I'm trying to put the glitter too much because if I do, it's gonna pick up on the brush and it's gonna get everywhere else. I'm just gonna mess up the eye look, so I'm trying not to do that. I think I'm going to take Volcano from earlier and I'm going to apply it right there where those two colors meet. So I can have like a transition shade, I guess you could say. And it won't be like a harsh like line. You see that, like, it looks harsh. It won't be harsh. So I'm just going to take that and put that right there. And yeah. Taking this shade right here called Fleshy, and I'm using as my brow bone highlight. Like, a long time ago I used to do brow bone highlights like religiously, but I just stopped for some reason. I just stopped. Like, sometimes I forget. Like back in the day when I was doing makeup, like when I first got to university or like when I first got to school, my look won't be complete without a brow bone highlight. Like, I promise you. Next I'll be doing eyeliner, and for my eyeliner I'm using e.l.f's eyeliner. I don't know what kind it is. I don't know if it's like an e.l.f. eyeliner. And I think I might do a wing. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a wing. And I might not apply lashes because my eyes are like, I was like, my eyes got really watery. I don't know if it's because of my ring light or what, but they got really watery earlier. We're going with my Maybelline Instant Pore Eraser. This foundation, I mean, this primer used to be extremely popular. Actually, Vicky Logan put me back on this way back in the day. I love this primer. It's probably one of my favorite primers. A lot of people say it's heavy. Look, it's like a silicone primer, but I like love it. I have like combination acne, combination oily, combination acne prone skin, and my skin like loves it. Like, I don't think I've ever broken out from it, so I really like this stuff. Like, really like this stuff. I want to color correct with Black Radiance True Complexion HD Corrector. As you can see, I have acne scars, hyperpigmentation, and all that. I'm just going to coat them up with this orange concealer. And remember, like, it's normal for makeup and it's normal for texture to show. When you're wearing makeup, it's normal for texture to show because, you know, we're all human and we have texture. I mean, we all have texture. And everything is not what it seems. Like, some people, like, edit their pictures to make it sound like they have, like, they don't have texture or have, like, poreless skin or whatever. Or, like, texture of their skin, and that's not true. You can mimic, like, some certain lightings decrease the visibility of texture as well. So if you're watching this and you're like insecure about having like your texture showing you your makeup, I'm just letting you know it's normal for us to have texture. All of us to have texture. So for the color palette, I'll be going for a shade, a concealer shade that's the exact same shade as me, and this is Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer, and this is in the shade Hazelnut. Next, we finally move on to our foundation, y'all. Like, we finally there. We finally here. So, this is my first time finding this foundation. It's from a black-owned business. Y'all know the lady up at Uoma Beauty. Is it Uoma Beauty? Well, she has like a Walmart brand. It's called Uoma Beauty by Sharon. See, it's like a affordable makeup brand she launched. Or, yeah, affordable makeup brand she launched. You know, like they have like Michael Kors by Michael Kors. Like that kind of. It's giving me those type of vibes. So yeah, this is called their Flawless and Real Life Skin Perfecting Foundation. Now it took me a minute to find my shade. Well, actually didn't. I actually like their foundation finder on their website. Like, I love like the foundation finders where you can just type in like the shades that you already wear to get your exact match. I love those. Just chef's kiss. Now the ones where you have to like select like what kind of like if you're medium dark skin out of tone, I hate those. It's like, dang bro, like I don't know what shade I am, because like bro, I don't know, like that's why I'm here, like I don't know. So yeah, I really appreciate the fact they didn't take that long to find my shade in this, and this is in the shade Brown Sugar T2. I'm going back to review my footage, and I noticed that this is too orangey for me, so I'm going to take a little bit of my concealer. I'm not probably thinking this is a lot of product, but if foundation shade matched, I wouldn't apply this much. I would have to go back and try to fix it. So I'm just going to try to get my actual shade back. Next, I'll be highlighting with my e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer in the shade Hazelnut. Oh, this is actually cinnamon. Yeah, this is deep cinnamon. I'm sorry. Deep cinnamon. Gonna blend this out, and that's this concealer hack where I just like this hack where Jackie Anna came up with, or this hack that Jackie Anna was talking about, where you let your concealer sit while you do your other face makeup. But look, I'm kind of nervous. I tried it, but I'm kind of, I don't know. They say it's supposed to help you, like help with the coverage. It makes the concealer, it's supposed to make the concealer like more full coverage, like, but ooh, that looks pretty. I don't know, I think I tried it once. I forgot how I liked it. I forgot if I liked it or not. I think I liked it. But like I said, I'm trying something new, and so I want to implement it into my skincare routine. I mean my makeup routine. I never do. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so I like this blender. This is my first time using this blender, by the way. It's by Morphe. This is their Filter Effects blender. I just got this. It came with the brush, by the way. The brush I was using earlier. Okay, so now I'm going to set that highlight with this Black Radiance loose setting powder in the shade Banana. So I'm going to contour my face using this Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. And this one's gonna blur everything out. This is my Black Radiance finishing powder in the color Chocolate. We're gonna spray my face. I'm gonna blur everything together. This Black Radiance blush in the color Almond, Toasted Almond. Hey, for our highlight, we're going in with this. I don't know if you can see it. This is an eyeshadow. Ooh, actually, you probably can't see. This is a highlighter palette, and this is by Cara Beauty. It's their Glow Dust highlighter palette. So this is like a brown, like a fall kind of ish makeup look. I'm gonna take this color right here. It is called Topaz, and it is described as a soft brown. I got my shirt on, got this one in. I'm gonna throw my wig on, come back, do my lippy. What else I gotta do? I gotta do something else. I might add a little more highlight, but I don't know. No, I think my highlight's good. I might add some finishing touches. If I see anything I want to change, I'm gonna fix it, but I'm gonna throw my headband wig on right back. Okay, I think I'm gonna try. This is a headband wig. I think I'm gonna change this headband. I already have a headband that would look good with this. I have like a white one, but it's like a cream color one that will look cute with this outfit. But I think it has foundation on it. So, and I have a brown bun that's gonna hit the same. But it does look kind of weird to me. Hold up. I really feel like doing the ombre. This is like the L'Oreal Pro Medica lipstick. This is the collection that they had called Less Chocolates. And it's in the shade 70% Yum, I believe. Yes, 70% Yum. It's a really pretty, really dark chocolate, which I love, especially for the fall. Like, as soon as I had the idea to do a fall video, I knew I was going to have like a chocolate lip. Like, a chocolate lip was going to be involved somehow. Like, I love doing chocolate lipsticks. I'm trying to ombre this thing out. I'm going to use this color by NYX. It's their matte lipstick in the color Cold Brew. So hopefully this will make a nice ombre. But if not, I'm just gonna stick with 70% Yum because anybody got time for that. Cool. This is not ombre. It's cool. It's cool at this point. Okay, I got this look was not complete without my hoops. This is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If this is too much makeup for you guys, just try and tweak it to your liking. Come back, subscribe, comment what you want to see next. Have a blessed day. And y'all got us, y'all. Love y'all. See y'all later. It's all about us right now, girl. Where are you going? I'm not a person like, I don't really like wearing rings. You know how people wear those? Y'all know how people wear like a bunch of rings on their hands? Like when they take pictures? I don't like that. Like, probably for like a photo shoot, yes. But like from everyday life, no.